We are doing this is the wall and that entire wall and wainscoting like little squares and she wants them thick, which is unusual, but she's usually like that. She likes to do out of the box stuff, so we'll see.
Beautiful.
Okay, so we got several projects going on. Bathroom, living room, accent walls, kitchen, shelving, and we just need to, I just need to talk to Juan so we can figure out an estimate, and I think we should have it within a week, and then we'll go from there.
Beautiful. Now we gotta get home.
No, we gotta run. Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
One of the projects that we're doing is we're doing a bump out fireplace with black shiplap on the side, also known as nickel gap. We have our special list right here, painter Louis. He's doing some touch-ups, getting everything ready so he can give it the final coat. We have a fireplace that is getting inserted in. The fireplace has already arrived, it's at our shop. So we're gonna pick it up once everything is done and install it. They are doing a kind of like a Polynesian texture on the fireplace, so it's something a little bit different than what we've seen before in this channel. So let me show you guys what we got going on. Come on, follow me. So, and this here, as you can see how the stair lands on the platform, goes up to about 15-foot walls. Then it tapers down into the doorway into the master bedroom. So what we're doing is we're just putting all the vertical boards first, since I felt that that would be the easiest way to do this project. Up here, I have my man with the master plan, Rodolfo, getting some work done. So as you're coming up the stairs, we're also doing the laundry room. We've already installed some cabinets and floating shelves in there, as well as a dry bar that is getting installed. We're still waiting for the refrigerator to come in. With all this pandemic and whatever now, a lot of stuff has been back ordered. So let me go ahead and show you what we got going on in the bathroom. We also have shiplap, like I said, downstairs, also known as nickel gap. This is also gonna go all the way up, and this is done. This is already finished, already sanded, already putty. It looks pretty good, huh? Then, when you go into your happy place, which I call my happy place, AKA office, we also did a nice nickel gap in the background. Admire it, look at it, enjoy it. So the hardest part about this whole entire project has been the staircases. These staircases are staircases. So they have really long walls, and the platform on the bottom doesn't allow us to put any scaffolds or anything like that that we have. So we've been doing everything against OSHA violations. Yeah, there we go. All right, so here's what we've got done so far. We have a few more hours here, but I believe and I feel that we'll be able to accomplish this, and our painter will do the rest. Make sure you guys give us a shout out, comment, like, share our page. If you want to see some cool stuff, we can make it happen, but we need your support.
All right, everybody, we are on our way to the Bayshore house. We are done with this project, and we're finally ready to reveal how it looks. We're gonna walk you through all the projects that we did there, and we hope you like it. All right, guys, so we are here at the Bayshore house. I am so excited to see this because we finished this project. It's already done, but my friend Deneen, the designer, she already put her touch and started, putting all the furniture in and all that stuff. And I just want to see how it looks. I haven't seen it. Coming in. What? So let me show you first the kitchen. This is the first thing that we did. We did a kitchen hood cover in a black with some light wood shelves to complement everything around this house. It's in that color palette, blacks, tans, whites, browns. That's the color palette for the whole house. And now I'm gonna show you the living room. And now we have the fireplace. We did the shiplap wall on the sides, the built-in wall for the fireplace, and then somebody else did the Venetian plaster, which came out really, really awesome. And then the owner decided to do later the hearth of the fireplace, and it came out super, super nice as well. You can tell me what you guys think. So we have 5 projects in this house. We have 3 more upstairs. Let me show you. Okay, so first project upstairs, it's this coffee bar built in. They're gonna have a fridge here, and then this is just to get the morning coffee instead of going downstairs. And then the other project is this staircase wall. I think it came out really, really amazing. It was really, really challenging. I think we had our ups and downs just solely in this part right here. But it came out good at the end. So in here, we created this butcher block, which, as you notice, it matches the one in the coffee bar. And then we moved the cabinets from downstairs to here. And then we created this floating shelves, which also match the ones in the kitchen. And that wraps up and blends everything together. All right, everybody, now the final project is the bathroom. So we just did a just accent wall in shiplap, black, the same color as downstairs, the hallway, the staircase, the living room, just so that everything blends together. And then here as well in the toilet room, we did a whole wall in shiplap, and I think it came out really good. All right, everybody, I am super happy how everything turned out. Everything came out beautiful. I think Deneen did a great job designing everything, and we did a pretty good job putting everything together. Be sure to subscribe, like, tell your mom, your sister, your mistress, whoever, and I'll see you on the flip side.